Dogs are awesome. So, I'm manifesting adopting a corgi. I am manifesting adopting an adorable corgi. I saw a few older guys. Like, I think the closest is like a 3-4 hour drive for me, but how long I've wanted a corgi, it's worth it. So I'm just putting that out into the universe. Corgi for me, I'm okay with him being older. I'm okay. And I think I want a boy. I want a boy. He's gonna be my man. Yeah. He's gonna be my man. And I'ma love him. I'm gonna love him and spoil him rotten. Spoiled rotten. Oh my God. I was doing a lot of this. A lot more of this. But that doesn't matter. I'm out of breath, boy. Oh. The benefits of hiking by yourself. Nobody gets to hear how hard you're breathing. I ask if you're okay. Over and over 100 times. I'm fine, I'm just dying. I'm fine, I'm just dying slowly. I'm sweating through my eyeballs, I can't see. I'm in the woods. There are mosquitoes everywhere. Oh man. Shout out to Pat Hart. I love you so much. Pat Hart, you're the most amazing woman on the planet. Oh gosh. And there it is. Oh, stay away from me for the rest of my life. Stay away, bad vibes. Stay away. See, this is right. Ooh. This is where the snake was. Right here. Right here. I felt my life leave my body. Run. No. I might be out of breath, but I can still run if I have to. Not very far. But hopefully the snake will get y'all and not me. Every man and woman and child for themselves. Oh, wait a minute. There used to be. Wasn't there a very big rock here that looked kind of scary? Ho hum, ho hum. And of course, there's a big old hole up in there. I ain't going up in there. You can't get me. You can't get me. No. You cannot get me. I'm gonna run for my life. You understand me? I'm gonna run for my life. Nom. I didn't eat breakfast. I'm eating carrots. I don't know what I'm doing, but this feels real good. I don't want to do none of this, and it better work out. I'm uncomfortable in a lot of situations, and I try to mask it with positivity. But oh boy. I wanted to time exactly how long it takes me at this pace. The cheapest, most uncomfortable part is, actually, let me stop. Coming back's gonna be a little hard too, but it's okay. This is nice. This is good. I feel good. Huh? One foot in front of the other. 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 That's it. All right. All right. All right. Ah! Cave woman, damn it. Raw, ugh. I'm coming through. I'm gonna run you over. I run you over. Don't make fun of me. I think I feel a little nervous coming out here. I think I'd be nervous because all the animals are waking up, still sleeping, milling around. And here I come crashing through, making noises in their backyard. Now I feel like it's so hot there. No. Do I know much? I don't know much. I know a little bit, but nothing significant. I have a degree or nothing. Okay, it wasn't bad. Got my water, and apples. Doing a new thing, man. Gotta do a new thing. New thing is picking up the old thing that I stopped doing because it was so cold. Couldn't do it. I'm realizing I really didn't make enough time when it was warm. I'll be out in there up in these hills every day. My neighbor and I came. I think, yeah, this is about the spot we stopped. I'll bet him. Chill out. I start crying. Everything's hard right now, man. It's alright. We're gonna be alright. Step out into the unknown, baby. Step out into the unknown. I can't remember what year it was, but there were some folks picking mushrooms out here. There were folks picking mushrooms out here. I wonder if they got a good amount. I don't know if they were morels or some other kind of mushrooms. I don't know. Man, my neighbor gave me some lion's mane, but man, it's supposed to be healthy for you, but I don't know, man. No. Looking funny. Stuff healthy for you, but it looked funny. Alright, Hill. You ain't too bad. You ain't as bad as me. Come on. You ain't as bad as me, little Hill. Huh. Ha. 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 You think you bad? You think you bad? That's why I'm on top. That's why I'm on top, Hill. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Big old frog! What are you doing out here? What are you doing? Why? Why are you out here? Bonus points if you see him. I ain't getting up close. Damn. I'm gonna sit down somewhere, frog. Ah. Big old frog. Ah. I'm noisy. Nobody listens to me anyway. Ah. Okay. Okay. Probably took me like, what, 20 minutes? 20 minutes to get here. Doe Run Road. Okay. All right. Okay, scenic loop. That's where we're going. I'm gonna stop here and breathe. Catch my breath.